If you're wondering how to move incomplete tasks to tomorrow in Asana, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do that, and we'll also share a helpful tip to streamline your task management. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to keep your workflow moving smoothly, even if things don't go according to plan today. Before we dive in, did you know that Asana offers a completely free version? You can start using it today with a special bonus through the first link in the description below. Stick around because I'll show you how to maximize your Asana experience with a bonus tip at the end. First things first, let's talk about why you'd want to move incomplete tasks to tomorrow. Life happens, and sometimes things slip through the cracks. Moving tasks to tomorrow helps you stay organized and ensures that nothing gets left behind in your to-do list. Now, let's get into the steps. Next thing, open the task you want to reschedule in Asana. This could be anything you didn't complete today, and now you need to push it to tomorrow. When you click on the task, you'll see the due date option on the right-hand side. Click on the calendar icon and select tomorrow's date. This will instantly reschedule it without you having to manually update anything. The third thing you'll want to do is make sure that the task is properly marked as incomplete. If the task was already checked off, uncheck it so that it stays active for tomorrow. That way, when you log in tomorrow, you'll see that task as something that still needs your attention. The fourth thing, if you're dealing with multiple tasks that need to be moved to tomorrow, you can do this in bulk. Just go to your task list, select all the tasks you want to reschedule, and then use the Edit button to change their due dates all at once. This feature saves you time and keeps things efficient. Lastly, don't forget to set up a recurring task if you have something that comes up often and you know it'll need to be moved regularly. Instead of manually moving it every time, you can set the task to repeat daily, weekly, or however you need it. Asana's recurring tasks feature ensures that you're always on top of it, without any extra effort. Now, as promised, here's a little bonus tip. If you find yourself moving tasks to tomorrow quite often, you might want to set a daily routine for reviewing tasks at the end of each day. This will help prevent overdue tasks from piling up and keep your workflow running smoothly. And if you want to get even more out of Asana, check out the first link in the description below for a special extended free trial. This trial gives you extra features that can help you manage your tasks even better, so don't miss out. So that's how to move incomplete tasks to tomorrow in Asana. With these steps, you'll be able to stay on top of your work no matter what happens. Make sure to hit that link for the exclusive free trial and start managing your tasks like a pro today.